Welcome to the Abacus game class. I hope you all watch and practice previous class. Let's just revise the basics and then we dive in our next topic. In standard abacus, Soroban, training, first set your abacus at 0 position. Means no beads touch the answer bar. Like this, kids. The thumb is exclusively used to add lower beads. This, kids. The index finger is used to subtract lower beads and manipulate upper beads. And both are used together to pinch or clear beads simultaneously. Mastering these precise movements builds the necessary muscle memory for high-speed calculation. I hope this topic is clear. Good job! Now, kids, let's practice some addition and subtraction on abacus. Ready with your abacus? Question 1. 2 plus 6 plus 1 equals what? Just focus on screen and then try it by yourself, okay? Set your abacus at 0 position. First, we need to add 2 beads to the answer bar by using your thumb, like this, okay? Now, for 6, we add 1 upper bead by using index finger, okay? And move 1 lower bead by thumb, okay? You all know 1 upper bead is equals to 5, okay? 5 and 1 makes 6. Now add 1 more lower bead. Count the beads touch the answer bar. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is our answer, kids. Very good. Question 2. 5 plus 3 equals what? Look at here. For 5, we need to move only 1 upper bead, like this. And for 3, just move 3 lower beads towards answer bar. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our answer. Well done. Now, ready to do some subtraction questions? Ready. Question 1. 9 minus 4 equals what? First, move 1 upper bead and then 4 lower beads towards the answer bar, like this. Now, for subtract 4, we move 4 lower beads away from the answer bar. Now, how many beads touch the answer bar is our answer. 1 upper bead means 5. Good, kids! Question 2. Kids, 8 minus 1 minus 2 equals what? Look carefully, kids. For making 8, we need to add 1 upper bead and 3 lower bead, like this. For subtract 1, we need to move 1 bead away from answer bar. And for subtract 2, move 2 beads away from answer bar, like this. 1 upper bead is touch the bar means 5 is our answer. Because we know 1 upper bead is equals to 5. Today class is over. Your homework is watch this video again and do these questions with your abacus. In next class, we practice more questions together. Ready with your abacus in next class, kids? Thank you, kids. Bye!